Guys, so today is my first podcast and I'll be having Ishita Salunke all the way from Pune, Maharashtra. Let's see what she has to say and what she has to do with us today. चलिए देखते हैं आगे आगे होता क्या है. Today we have with us none other than Ishita Salunke. Ishita is all the way from Pune. She's like my sister and she's a dancer as well. I know about Ishita, but आप आगे अपने बारे में मुझे और बताइए.
Okay, so my name is Ishita Salunke and I am from Pune, PCMC Pune, and I am a whacker. I also do choreographies as well. And that's it. I am a first year student in IIHM Pune. I am studying hotel management.
खाना बना.
Hanji.
And so let's just get to the first question. Like, what are the different dance styles you do? Like in Konkani, if I ask, तू खैचे dance style करता?
Okay, so my main style is whacking and more of freestyling. I also tried b-boying for like in lockdown, and I also tried vlogging and stuff. So that's it. Even I love a house as well.
Okay.
I try, but I'm not like perfect.
So आपने मतलब almost सब कुछ try किया है. So why do you choose whacking as your permanent dance style?
Okay, so whacking जैसे मतलब बोलूँ ना मैं, whacking मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा freedom देता है.
थोड़ा आप हमको करके दिखाएंगे कैसे करना है? ऐसा हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 पोज. Okay, now we can continue.
Yeah. Okay, so जब भी मैं whacking करती हूँ तभी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा freedom मिलता है. Whenever like I do freestyle, I like put out everything. जो भी मेरे मन में है सब वो डांस में निकल जाता है.
मतलब हमारे को गाली मारना है तो उसमें डांस में ही निकल जाता है.
निकल जाता है.
बहुत सही है.
वो बैक करते करते तेरे को मार देते हैं.
फिर मैं ऐसे पकड़ के वापस करके तुझे वो. So yes, tell us more about it. Go ahead.
Okay, so I started whacking when I was 16. I did a workshop of Simi, Tanzania.
Okay, let me just say one thing that Simi is one of the greatest whackers in Indian dance scene, no doubt. So huge respect to Simi, full power. So here we go ahead. चले बोलते रहिए.
हाँ, तो मैंने सिमी का वर्कशॉप किया था बहुत पहले 2019.
Also मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि like even me, I also my first workshop was by Simi when she had like finished her like Dance Plus का performance. Then उसका first workshop गोवा में हुआ था. So that was like one of my first workshops. So that's how I started my journey as well. She's crazy as F.
Okay, तो मैंने उसका वर्कशॉप किया. मुझे तभी उसके पहले वैकिंग के बारे में पता ही नहीं था. मैं नॉर्मल एक बॉलीवुड क्लासेस में जाती थी. देन उसके बाद में मैंने किया. फिर उसके बाद में बहुत और एक्सप्लोर किया. मैंने गूगल किया वैकिंग के बारे में. Then I got to know about all the history of it, and that's it.
So talking about the history, now you're saying whacking has a history. So can you tell us like about the history of whacking?
Yeah. So basically, whacking started in 70s. In 70s in LA.
LA.
Yeah. So there were a group of like gay people.
Yes.
अभी जो इंडिया में जैसा सीन चालू है कि उनको ज़्यादा
भाव नहीं देना चाहिए
मतलब,
और उनसे बहुत कुछ नफरत है लोगों को. People also try to like मतलब छी यार ये छक्का है भाई इससे दूर. So like that.
तो वैसा सीन तभी LA में था. तो तब वो लोग ऐसे क्लब्स में रहते थे and they used to just throw their hands and they used to like put out everything like I said. तो उधर से पंकिंग नहीं, तब उसको पंकिंग बोला जाता था. तो तब पूरा उनका इमोशन बाहर निकालते थे. और like gay people are very like dramatic and
totally any day. लोग वैसे मेरे को भी छक्का बोलते थे कॉलेज में, पर मेरे को कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. So okay, let's just get this is the history and a lot of history which we have to talk. मतलब we have this special video which is on the internet which is by Kumari Suraj which tells you more about like there's a lot bigger history which we cannot explain in like a short period of time. So I would definitely recommend our people to go ahead and watch House of Suraj, History of Whacking. Instead, इफ दे आर इंटरेस्टेड, मतलब अगर उन लोग को पसंद है, भाई मिस्टेक हो गई सॉरी, अगर उन लोग को पसंद है कि मतलब वैकिंग करना है, सो दिस इज द हिस्ट्री, दिस इज द वीडियो यू नीड टू वॉच, सो गो अहेड एंड चेक इट आउट. ऑल्सो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एज अ डांसर आपको क्या पसंद है? मतलब कुछ कुछ डांसर होते हैं, दे लाइक फ्री स्टाइलिंग, सम ऑफ देम लाइक कोरियोग्राफीज,
Yeah.
some of them like some movement stuff. So
Mhm.
what do you like? Freestyle, choreography or some movement stuff? कौन सा पकड़ना है? 1 2 3 पकड़ ले पहले.
तीनों पकड़ ले.
तीनों पकड़ लिया? अरे वाह, जियो मेरे शेर.
Okay, so it's not like मुझे यही पसंद है. मैं सब एक्सप्लोर करती हूँ. I'm very young. I'm 18 years old.
अरे you are 18.
Yeah.
You are my sister.
Yeah.
But at 18 you have boyfriend? मेरे को कहाँ था यार बॉयफ्रेंड 18 साल में. But it's okay. आजकल की लड़कियां जवान हो गई भाई. Okay, let's just get back to what we were talking. So,
Yeah.
what do you choose? Choreography, freestyle, or like movement?
Yeah. Like I love to explore many things. Like I also do choreographies, like Sangeet choreographies. I do. I love.
So, how much like now you do Sangeet choreographies?
Yeah.
How much do you charge? Like मतलब तू ये स्टेप का कितना लेती है?
ऐसे कुछ नहीं, मतलब कोरियोग्राफीज पर कोरियोग्राफीज डिपेंड.
फिर भी बता दीजिए, हमको भी थोड़ा कुछ मिल जाएगा आगे फ्यूचर में. Okay, let's just fuck it. Continue.
हाँ, तो मोस्टली मैं फ्री स्टाइल ही करती हूँ, क्योंकि मतलब फ्री स्टाइल फ्रीडम होता है, उससे मैं बाहर. और कोरियोग्राफी बोला तो हाँ. Yeah, that's it. I love.
So you love everything.
Yeah.
But more you
More I
feel
focus on
freestyle because
yeah.
उसमें meaning you can put out your
Yeah.
emotions, do a lot of
Exactly.
storytelling.
Yeah.
I'm also talking as a dancer. I know I'm better than you, but it's okay. Okay. So okay, let's just get to the next question now. That now you have a crew. Now you represent whacking style. Can you tell us like what are the crewmates like? कौन से dance style वो लोग represent करते हैं? Meaning in कोंकणी खयचे their dance style लोग represent करता. You understood? I don't know how to talk in Marathi.
काय represent करतात
लोग तुमच्यामध्ये लोग
माझ्या crew
crew मध्ये. So please tell us like what different dance styles.
Yeah. So my crew is from 2014.
14.
Yeah. And I am the newest member.
Newest.
Yeah. I am the newest member and also the youngest.
Also, can you tell us the name of your crew, please?
UDDC.
What's the full form?
United Dance Dream Crew.
Wow. जीत गए तुम लोग Pods यहाँ पर. So Pods is basically one of the biggest competitions in India.
Yeah.
So yes, you can continue with
Yeah.
the...
So my crew is like total underground crew, and they are more into freestyling. Like no one does choreographies, only one or two.
Okay.
And there are b-boys, crumpers. There's a locker also.
Okay.
And that's it. There are more of b-boys in this.
Okay. So now, as you said, you have more of like underground people. Like, how is underground different from commercial shit? Like, you know, there's a lot of difference.
There's a lot.
And can you tell us the difference? मतलब कितना difference है commercial और underground के बीच में?
Yeah.
मतलब people need to understand because I think everything has come from underground, which has now gone to commercial.
Yes.
But the thing is that people are giving less value to underground now, more
Yeah.
value to commercial because गाने बजते हैं ना हनी सिंह के यार मुझे प्यार. So you tell us the difference, how things have like evolved or what is the change here?
Yeah. तो कमर्शियल में कैसा होता है, मतलब जब अंडरग्राउंड था तब लोग ऐसे प्योरिटी लेके रखते हैं, मतलब जो ओरिजिन है, जो स्टाइल का भी वैकिंग लिया तो ड्रामा वगैरह आ गया. अगर वो वैकिंग कमर्शियल में लेके गए तो वो बॉलीवुड में उसमें गरबा मिक्स कर देंगे और ये मिक्स कर देंगे. उसका जो ओरिजिन होता है वो मतलब निकल जाता है. तो अंडरग्राउंड पीपल, मुझे वही अंडरग्राउंड के बारे में वही अच्छा लगता है कि वो लोग बचा के रखते हैं जो ओरिजिनलिटी है, जहाँ से आया है. So that's it.
Okay, so that was amazing, but now let's just get to another question कि अभी हम लोग डांस करते हैं, now we dance. So how does it helps us like physically? Like you see there are these different things happening like Zumba. किसी का बस चले तो आज कुछ भी खोल देता है, बॉलीवुड ये, बॉलीवुड वो, बॉलीवुड ये, बॉलीवुड Zumba. मतलब we are not talking bad about anything, but like what is the we do whacking, so what is like how does it helps us in physical way to stay fit or whatever?
Okay. So before talking about that, I just want to tell you that even I was a Zumba teacher. Even I used to teach Zumba.
माफ करो. See, मेरे को कुछ ऐसा meaning I don't have any bad
Yeah.
against Zumba, but like people here tend to like it's more of fitness than dance.
Yeah.
For me at least, it's more of
I
fitness
used
than
to
dance.
teach in a gym.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Wow. So it's more of fitness to me
Yeah.
than dance.
Yes. So fitness के बारे में बोला तो dancing helps a lot. Like obviously we do movement. There's a lot of movement in dancing. And मेरा देखा जाए तो मैं 2019 में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव थी. मैंने बहुत वर्कशॉप्स किए, बहुत ये बैटल्स किए हैं. तभी मेरा बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे शेप में था. एंड आल्सो लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट
शेप में था मतलब क्या? वीडी शेप हो गया क्या?
तो जब भी बैकिंग भी करती हूँ तभी मेरे आर्म्स भी बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाते हैं.
तो मतलब जिम में जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
नहीं है.
ऐसे ही स्ट्रांग है इंचोल.
और फिर लॉकडाउन आ गया, लेजी हो गई मैं वापस.
ओके, सो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. लॉकडाउन आ गया, लॉकडाउन चला गया, कुछ फर्क भी नहीं पड़ा. वैक्सीन अभी भी आ रहा है. एनीवेज, नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू, लाइक यू सेड यू डिड लॉट ऑफ वर्कशॉप्स. आपने बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप किए. And then what a lot of jams you attended. Can you tell us like top 3 jams which you have attended till now? Like your favorite jams.
So सबसे पहला टॉप वाला मेरा वैक्स स्पेस था.
वैक्स स्पेस जहाँ पर कितना स्पेस था हम लोग के बीच में? कोई स्पेस ही
जो
नहीं है.
पुणे में हुआ था फीनिक्स मॉल में और
Okay.
जहाँ पे लिपजी आई थी.
Okay.
That was the most favorite jam of mine.
Yes, and mine as well.
Yeah.
Then
Then comes Wack Jam.
Wack Jam, which is one of our favorite jams
Yes,
again.
always.
Then last
Then
one.
I don't know. There are like many jams.
Okay, many jams.
Yeah.
Kisan Jam.
No.
Okay, give me top 3 favorite dancers as well, because you attended workshops of different people. Top 3 favorite dancers from India.
Yeah.
From India.
So-
Can include any style, like
Yeah.
whether it's house, locking, whacking, crump, etc. etc. You know.
Yeah. So in lockdown, I joined from the scratch of Prithvi Famous Crew. So he's the first. Like I love him. I admire him.
So you don't love your boyfriend more? अच्छा, you love him, right? Okay.
Yeah.
उस तरह का प्यार.
Yeah. He does musicality and house and also like
Okay,
footwork.
okay.
So he taught me footworks and musicality, which helped me a lot.
Okay.
So Prithvi, then comes Anushi.
Anushi, one of the greatest whackers in India.
Best
I will
whacker.
definitely any
Yes.
day stand up for her.
She's crazy. Yeah, she has inspired me a lot. She is like I whenever I get जब भी मुझे problem आता है whacking में वगैरह, I always message her. She always texts me back.
And one more dancer, please. Last.
Komal Patankar.
Komal Patankar.
Yes.
She's from Mumbai.
Yeah. Komal Patankar. She's also a whacker and I love him. She's very dramatic.
मिस्टेक कर दिया. हिम नहीं है भाई, हर है वो.
अरे fuck.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हो जाती है, सबकी गांड लगी हुई है.
हाँ, I love her.
Okay, so अभी we'll move on to the next question now. कि like how do people see dancers, like perspective of people. देखिए अभी तो scene create हो रहा है. So पहले कैसा scene था, अभी कैसा है, मतलब in your perspective how do people see dancers in nowadays?
Okay. So पुणे में तो like I don't know, like there are some people who like admire me so much कि हाँ इशिता इतने young age में इतना अच्छा कर रही है and stuff. And there are some people who are like obviously jealous of me.
That is definitely her field में वो scene है.
Yeah. So that's it. And talking about
जलने वाले मुझको देखकर बोले भाई तुझे मान लिए मन को लगती शांति है जेब में जब गांधी है. So yes, continue. We go in front.
मतलब हर आर्टिस्ट के लाइफ में वो होता ही है कि लोग होते हैं सपोर्ट करने वाले हैं और दूसरे लोग होते हैं जो मतलब कुछ ऐसे सपोर्ट करते ही नहीं है. और
Okay, I'm getting it.
yeah.
And now, well, that's done, right?
Yeah.
आगे चलते हैं. मतलब मेरे हिसाब से like, what do you feel? How's the dance scene in Pune different from different states? Like, I want you to compare your dance scene with Goan dance scene. Like how I know you have not traveled for jams here,
Yeah.
but how do you feel? So you have traveled to Mumbai.
Yeah.
So आपको कैसा लगता है कि पुणे का डांस सीन अच्छा है या मुंबई का अच्छा है? मतलब how is it different, you know?
Okay, so frankly speaking, मैंने बहुत I've done many jams, like tons of jams in Mumbai
Okay.
and also in Pune. But compared, like if I compare Mumbai jams, like Mumbai people are very partial.
Okay.
Frankly speaking.
सुन लो, सुन
very
लो, मैं
partial.
देख नहीं रहा हूँ, अगर
Yeah.
देखूंगा तो कट जाओगे तुम लोग. Okay.
हाँ, तो मतलब मैं जब भी जाती थी तभी मैं बिगनर थी, जब मैं
Okay.
वर्कशॉप या बैटल वगैरह जाती थी, तो लाइक पीपल डिडंट यूज्ड टू सपोर्ट मी कि हाँ
Okay.
इशिता कर, ये वो ऐसे कर वैसे कर, नहीं ये ऐसे ही वैसे, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा पार्शियल हो जाता है वो.
Okay.
एंड if it comes to Pune hip hop scene is the best community ever. They
Okay.
are very supportive, very like
That's मतलब ऐसे होना ही चाहिए.
हाँ.
Like people have to be supportive.
people are very like
Yeah.
they are very in a unity, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा unity है उनमें.
Okay, okay.
And they help each other. कौन सा भी ये हो.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So now, like how you said, like people are partial.
Yeah.
Like, is it like in every jam you see like people are partial, or like only in few jams you see that the people are partial? मतलब
Every
ये लोग
jam in Mumbai.
Every jam.
Yes.
क्या आप बता सकते हो पार्शियल लोग कौन कौन थे? नाम बताओ, 2 लोग का नाम बताओ, अभी लाता हूँ मैं उनको स्क्रीन पे. No?
No.
अगर हम लोग का बस चल रहा हो तो हम लोग ला देते. Okay, so now this is what you said, like people are partial, and I also totally agree. मेरे को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Whatever is straight is straight.
Yes.
Anyways, let's just move to the next question again. I want to ask you, did COVID affect your dancing? Matlab,
Yes.
did it affect, like, what were the changes? What were the, like, impacts of coronavirus? Like, you know, we were in a lockdown.
Yeah.
We couldn't go out. We couldn't cipher with crew. We couldn't meet our friends. And how did this affect you?
So
As a young girl, as a young dancer, how did it affect you?
yeah, so in the beginning I was like more dedicated. I don't know, I was मतलब मैं घर पे ही रहती थी पूरा दिन, और मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि हाँ मैं पूरा दिन डांस करूंगी ऐसे वैसे. और तभी the बैकिंग वर्ल्ड के वर्कशॉप्स भी चालू थे सारे इंटरनेशनल.
Yeah, all the
Yeah.
international
Yeah,
backers used to
backers.
take a
Yeah.
live class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was very
And who was like your favorite international backer?
Yoonji.
Yoonji. She's the OG. Like Yoonji is OG.
Yeah.
Thoda mera suno ji.
Yeah, so I was like in the beginning I used to practice a lot of
Okay.
whole day. Then afterwards I became lazy. I used to sit, I used to like sleep a whole day. I gained a lot of weight. That's it. Like, yeah.
Okay. So now you're doing IGM, you said. Like you're doing hotel management and then you're doing dance. There are two different things. Like hotel management is totally different. यहाँ पे खाना पकता है और डांस इज टोटली जहाँ पे डांस चालू रहता है. So how does hotel management and dance, how do you manage both the things?
So I basically I'm a first year student, और अभी तो कॉलेज चालू भी नहीं हुए हैं, ऑनलाइन ही चालू है. तो I don't know, like this is a very new field for me. I've never cooked in my life. I've never worked in my life. So like I as I said, I love to explore things. So I'm just like doing hotel management just because I have to do tourism in future.
Also, do you want to give a message? अब मैंने सब questions पूछ लिए. Also, do you want to give a message to people like in terms of dancing as a dancer or as a young kid who's gonna like capture the world in her field? So, do you want to give a message to our people, like what do they have to do or what do they have to do in future? Any message you want to give?
Yeah. So when I started dancing, I was a very like scared child. I used to never used to get down in a cipher or never get. मैं just देखती थी, और जब मैं like crewmates से जो भी force करते थे तब मुझे बहुत ऐसे डर लगता था. I used to get shy or scared whatever. तो I prefer कि पहले वो रहता है, मतलब कि डर लगता है, तो उसके बाद में मतलब ये
माउंटेन ड्यू पीने का डर के आगे जीते।
नहीं 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 हमें मतलब वो एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए जो
Okay.
Can you
So
ask this
basically,
question again?
so basically, I don't want to ask you this question again. मतलब खाली footage नहीं बढ़ाना. Basically, she's trying to say that we have to fight our fears, right?
Okay.
So yes, correct or no?
Yeah.
So yes, that was Ishita Salunke with us. And Ishita, you have to say just one thing with me. Full power,
Full power.
no shower,
No shower.
24 hours.
24 hours.
चल नहा के आ. Thank you so much.